Children?
Good morning, Miss.
Very good morning. Lasya? Yes. Yes, children. Are you ready for today's class, Nana?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah.
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Everyone should take your rough notes. Social. Page number 28. Content book. Jishwita, very good morning, baby. Pragna, good morning. And worksheet page number 32. Take. In the meanwhile, your friends also will come and join. Yeah, everyone should take your rough notes. In your content book, open page number 28 and worksheet page number 32, Nana. 32. Okay? Yeah. Hey, Sakshit, rename yourself, baby. Yes. Very good. Are you ready for today's class?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Very good. So, children, yes.
Miss in worksheet or TB, Miss?
First, you have to open your content book. Let us recall the last class, previous class, what we have learned. Okay. See, children. Yes. Yeah. Children, can anyone say what is the neighborhood? Only by using the chat box, you have to type, Nana. Everyone should keep your video on. Keep your video on, Nana. Yes, Jashwita. Everyone, keep your video on, baby. Yes. In the last class, we discussed about neighborhood and school. Yes. What is a neighborhood? Yes. Write down in the chat box. By using the chat box, you have to write down the answer. Okay, Jashwita, no problem. Your cam is not working. Okay. Yes. What is neighborhood, Nana? No problem, Chaitra. I will share the screen. No problem. Yes.
Miss social science,
Yeah.
Miss social science,
Social, Nana. Yes. Everyone. Children. Say what is neighborhood?
Miss.
Page number.
Women's center.
Yeah.
A neighborhood is.
Yes, Tanish. Block 5, Nana. Open page number 28 from your TB. Page number 28 from your TB. Yeah, Yakub, very good. It is nearby place. Very good. Yeah, can you say, Nainika, by using the chat box, can you say the places near your neighborhood? Nainika, by using the chat box, you have to say the answer. Yes, Sakshit. Rename yourself, Sakshit. Keep your video on. Superb, Nainika. Park. Okay, very good. Yes, Havish. Can you say? Yes, everyone should keep your video on. Yeah, Kartikeya. Can you say your neighborhood places? What are the neighborhood places near to your house? Only by using the chat box you have to say, Nana. Yes, Kartikeya. Oh, Chetra, very good. Thanks. Okay. Yeah.
Nearby home is.
Very good. Yeah. Nearby home, you have to say your neighborhood places. We discussed in the last class, no? Yes, Satvik, can you say? Temple, superb. Yes, we discussed about the neighborhood places. Yeah. So in this class, let us discuss about the importance of school. I will show you one picture. You see, Nana.
Or TB miss.
TB, Nana. TB, open page number 28. See, children, can you see this picture?
Yes, miss. Yes.
Yeah. What is this picture about? Only by using the chat box, I want the answer. I muted all the participants. So, if you know the answer, you have to raise your silent hand or you have to use the chat box and you have to say the answer. Yes, Kartikeya, what you are seeing here? Use the chat box and write down the answer, Nana. Yes, what you are seeing in the picture? Yeah, superb. Yes. Do you love your school?
Yes, miss.
Yes, very good. We all love our school, yes or no? So, in this class, see Nana, today we will learn about one such place that is nothing but the school. Very good. See, I will show you on screen like the, yeah? Children, everyone should open your rough notes. Rough notes. Take your rough notes. Take your rough notes, children.
Miss Science and Social, miss.
First, you take your rough notes, Akshit.
Okay,
Social.
miss.
Yeah. Take your rough notes, Nana. Everyone should take your rough notes. See, you have to write down these three words. What are the keywords for this class? School. Write down everyone. First word. What it is? School. 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 Write down. Everyone should copy these three words.
How many times, miss?
One time only you have to write now. School. Keep keywords. School.
Yes, we can write in IMP also.
Yeah, you can write. Write down school. Your second word is teacher. TEACHER, teacher. And your third word is learn. LEARN. So these are the three keywords in this LP. Okay, Nana, the importance of school as a place of learning. Very good, Yakub. Super. Now, if you see the next one, I will show you like that you have to draw the two boxes and you have to write of your own, Nana. See, we learn about what is neighborhood and who are the people live nearby us. Yes or no? So down places in school is there, you see. What are the things that you will observe in school? Okay. And things we do there. One example I will say you. The remaining any three you have to fill down and you have to show me. I will give you 2 minutes time. One time, Chaitra. So you have to keep the heading like that, places in school, things we do there. Okay, I am saying classroom. Places in school. Can you see the classroom? No? What you will do in classroom? We learn about new things. Yeah, very good. Yes. So like that, any three things you have to write down. Three places. What you all will observe in school. What you will do there. I will give you 2 minutes time. You have to make it fast. Yeah. Start writing. Yes, children. Are you writing? Yes, everyone should keep your video on. Fatima, Havish, Yaqub. Pratyusha. Rename yourself, Nana, everyone. Lasia, Tanish. Yes. Completed? Places in school. What are the places that you will observe in school? What you will do there? I said the example. Okay, ma'am. Yes, Akshara, super, very good. You completed? Okay, very good, Akshara. Give a digital clap for Akshara, everyone. Yes, Satvik, very good. Yes, you completed? Superb. Yeah. Yes, what about the remaining students, Nana? Make it fast. So many things you will observe in school, no? What are the places that you will observe in school? And what you will do there? Yes. Okay. Yes, children? Yes, Akshara? Unmute yourself and say the answer, Nana. What you wrote, Akshara? Very good, Satvik. Who completed? Navya, did you complete? Yes, Akshara, you can mute yourself in the answer. Or you can use the chat box and you can write down the answer. Sakshit. Yeah, you can show. Akshara, you can show me. Everyone, what you wrote, show me. Show your rough notes as. Katia, very good. Show your rough notes, what you wrote.
Miss,
Yes.
classroom, playground, washroom.
Very good.
Learn,
Yes.
play, toilet.
Very good. Okay. Yes, Navya, what you wrote? Navya, unmute yourself and say the answer, Nana. Did you complete your work? Yes, what are the places that you know, what you will observe in school? Yeah? Okay, Shilan. See, Tanish, what you wrote? Very good, Kartikeya. Yeah, superb. Satvik, very good. Yes. Chetra, keep your video on, Nana. Yeah. Now see, children, what are the different places that you will find in your school? See, I will show you some places. What are those? You have to say me. Okay? Yeah? Children, what is this? By using the chat box, you have to say the answer. What you are observing by seeing this picture, Nana? Who are they? What are they doing? Very good, Satvik. This is the classroom. Very good. Yeah, you are observing the children. What are they doing? Yes, Tanish. Yeah, very good. Super. Yes, it's a classroom. Very good, Havish. Keep it up. Yeah. Why they came and sit? Yeah, they will learn the new things. Superb. Yes. Now, I will show you the end picture. See. Yes, what it is. What it is, children? Very good, Havish. Learning new things. Super. Yes. What you are observing by seeing this picture, Nana? Playground. Yeah. What the children are doing here? Yes, Ishwari. Superb. Yeah. What the children are doing here? Yeah, they are playing. Very good. Yes, they are playing. Yeah. We saw about the classroom playground. And another picture I am showing. See here. Yes. Can you say this what it is? What the children are doing? And can you name this place? Yes, Tanish. Yeah, eating. Okay, eating. Can you name this place? Canteen. Very good, Ishwari. Yeah, dining room. Okay, where you find the dining room? Canteen. Superb answer, Ishwari. Give a clap to Ishwari, Nana. This is a canteen. Yeah, very good. Yes. And see, I will show you another picture. Yes, children. What it is? What is this picture about? Can you say this? What is this picture about? What the children are doing? Library. Wow, Ishwari again super. Why only Ishwari is saying? Yes, Yakub, very good. Library. What they will do there? What they will do there? What the children will do in library, Nana? Yes. Study. Wow, superb. Yes. Okay. These are the places where you will find all these places. Yes, children. What are the different places that you will find in your school? Yeah, in school. Prem Saran, very good. Yes. So now, I showed you so many pictures, no? By that, what you observed? What do you do there? See. Yes? Yeah, places in school. We saw library. What we will do there? We read books there. Canteen. Canteen means we eat food. Playground. What we will do? We play games. Yes. Classroom. We learn about new things and other subjects. Yes or no, children? Up to here, is it clear? Or you are having any doubt, children? Yes? Are you having any doubt regarding this? Yes, Havish? Sakshit, keep your video on. Yes, Kartikeya? Yeah. Up to here, did you understand? Yes. And the next question is, why do we have different places in the school? Satvik, can you answer to my question? Yes, Satvik. Unmute yourself and answer to my question. Okay, Satvik. Why do we have different places in school? We saw, no? We can see, other than this, we can see so many rooms. Principal ma'am room, yes or no? If your parents want to pay any fee, whom she will meet? Whom she will meet? Directly, will she come to classroom and she will pay the fee? Yeah? Yes. What she will do if she want to take the progress card, To whom she will meet, Nana? Other than these, can you say what are the places that you will see in the school? As Akshara said, washroom. Very good, Chaitra. What you are doing, Nana? Yes, office room. Superb, Yakub. Office room. Yes, principal ma'am room. Very good. Washroom. Yes. Yes, Navya? Yeah? Yes, Navya? Unmute yourself and say the answer, Nana. Canteen, classroom, library, playground, washroom, office room. Wow, super Prem Saran. Yes, these are the things that you will observe in school. Yes or no? So we have different places in a school for doing different things. Yes or no? Suppose if you are sitting in the classroom, what you will do? What you will do, Nana, in classroom? Yes, Fatima, what you will do in classroom? Will you play? Will you chit chat with your friends? Yeah, you will learn new things. Superb. Yes. Suppose now you want to play. You went to playground. What you will do there? Will you take the book and you will read? What you will do there? Yes, Akshat, what you will do in playground? Playing games. Superb. If you go to library, what you will do? If you go to library, what you will do, Nana? Yeah, you will read the books. Very good. You will study. Yes. If you go to canteen, what you will do? Yes, Ishwari. Yeah, you will eat the food or eat some snacks. Yes. So, there are different places in the school for doing the different activities. Schools not only teach us different subjects, but also good manners, like how to behave with our teachers. Yes or no, Nana? మీకు స్కూల్ ఎందుకు పంపిస్తారు మీ పేరెంట్స్? ఎప్పుడు చదువుకోవడానికే పంపిస్తారా మిమ్మల్ని? You have to know how to behave with the teacher, with the elders. Yes or no? By coming to school, will you learn the good manners or bad manners? Yes? You know how to wish the teacher. You are all very good children. Every morning you all wish the teacher. If the principal ma'am will come to our class, you will wish her. Yes or no? You will stand and you will wish. Whenever the teacher will come, you will wish the teacher. Akshara, super. Very good, Akshara. Akshara baby, very good. Yes, these are the things that you will learn only when you will come to school regularly. Yes or no? రెగ్యులర్ గా మీరు స్కూల్ కి వస్తే ఏం జరుగుతుంది? యూ కెన్ లెర్న్ సో మెనీ న్యూ థింగ్స్. ఎస్, యూ కెన్ ప్లే ద గేమ్స్. యూ కెన్ play with your friends. You can eat with your friends. Suppose now you are staying at home. Everyone is eating with their parents. Yes or no? Yeah? పేరెంట్స్ తోనే లంచ్ చేస్తున్నారు, పేరెంట్స్ తోనే డిన్నర్ చేస్తున్నారు. అదే స్కూల్లో ఉన్నారనుకోండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ తో పాటు మీరు కూర్చొని చక్కగా డిన్నర్ లంచ్ చేస్తారా, స్నాక్స్ తింటారా? యూ విల్ షేర్ ద స్నాక్స్ విత్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఎస్. ఆర్ యూ మిస్సింగ్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ డీప్లీ? యా, ఈవెన్ ఐ am missing my children very much. I'm missing you all, guys. Yeah, yes. I am also missing you all. When we all will be in one campus, we all will be very friendly. Yes or no, Nana? Yeah. Children, see. What all do we learn in school? Yeah, Satvik. We are all missing our school. Yes. Missing friends, missing teachers. Children, say, are you missing your teachers or friends? Who will say the correct answer? I will see. Are you missing your friends or teachers? Yes, Lasia. Both. Wow, superb answer. Yes, friends, very good. All. Wow. Yes, both. This is the clever answer. Who is saying both? Clever answer. Yes, superb. So, even this situation, see, our man is providing us. We are all, every day you are seeing the teacher. Yes or no, Nana? ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్ లో కూడా మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ తో పాటు టీచర్స్ ని కూడా ఇలా మనం రోజు చూసుకున్నామా అట్లీస్ట్ వన్స్ ఇన్ ఏ వీక్ సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు థ్యాంక్ ఫర్ మ్యామ్ టు గివింగ్ దిస్ గ్రేట్ సిచ్యువేషన్ ఇన్ దిస్ టైమ్ ఆల్సో అవునా మనకి ఎంత సిచ్యువేషన్ బయట బాగోకపోయినా మనకి ఏం చేస్తున్నారు మ్యామ్ బై ప్రొవైడింగ్ ద జూమ్ యాప్ వాట్ షీఈస్ డూయింగ్ షీ ఈస్ మేకింగ్ యూ టు లెర్న్ ద న్యూ థింగ్స్ అవునా మీరు చక్కగా ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాశారు సెమ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ హ్యాండ్ రైటింగ్ ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకున్నారు వెరీ గుడ్ చిల్డ్రన్ యు ఆర్ ఆల్ ఎస్ ఐఎమ్ వెరీ ప్రౌడ్ ఆఫ్ యూ చిల్డ్రన్ ఎస్ సో నౌ Miss, when will school open? What I know, it is in the government hand. We don't know anything. We have to wait for our turn, Nana. Okay? We will complete the work in time. Yes or no? If I am giving any work, what are the things that you will do? You will follow. Yes? Will you follow? If I ask you to write the homework, what you will do? You will do the homework. You will complete your work on time and taking care of your things. Yes or no? In school, will you do the robbery? Miss, he took my pencil. She took my pencil. Like that you will do? No, you have to keep your belongings in a proper way. Navya Siri, what you are doing? Listen. Yes. What if there were no schools? How would you learn about things then? If there were no school, what will happen? Yes, Chaitra. What will happen if there were no schools? Yes. If there were no school, no teacher, what will happen? Yes. We don't know how to. Yeah, very good. We can't learn. Superb, Yakub. Yes. You can't learn. You don't know proper how to behave with others. Yes, you are all learning in the school. We can't study. Superb. We can't learn. Okay. Yeah. Suppose, children, if there were no schools, you may miss playing with friends. Yes or no? On no bad day, we all sit together and we all have so much fun. Yes, you will miss your friends, playing with friends, eating together in class. Yes or no? In snacks hour, in lunch hour, you all sit together and you will eat the lunch. Yes, you will miss that fun of learning together with friends. Suppose we are giving any activity to participate. What you all will do, suppose annual day function and all. You were divided into different groups. Join chesi, every activity వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చారు అవునా యా reach your goal. Very good. Yes, like that you are having, it may not be easy or fun to learn any guidance from your teacher. Can you read of your own, Nana? Pragna, can you read of your own? Okay, so everyone should take the help of the teacher and you can learn so many new things. Yes? So, if you open page number 28, children up to here, is it clear for you children? If the meeting will be ended again, you have to come and rejoin. Okay, children. 28, Nana. Everyone who are having TBS, open page number 28. Who are not having, I'm showing the screen. Just see, Nana. Yes. Who are having senior TB, keep your finger there. Satvik, Sihet, Satvik, keep your finger there. Who, who are not having TB, just see here what I'm saying. Okay, Tanish, can you read the first line? Importance of school, first line. Can you read? Yes, Tanish. Unmute yourself and read. Tanish, first you unmute yourself so that what you are reading, everyone can listen. Yeah. Yes, Tanish. It's not coming. Okay. See, children. Yes. Now? Yes. Akshara, can you read? Unmute yourself and read.
Most neighborhood have a school. A school is an important place where we learn many things.
Yes.
Different peoples in our school help us in different ways.
Yes, very good. Akshara, stop, Nana. Wait. Okay. Most neighborhoods have a school. Yes or no, Nana? Where you are living? So many schools are near your house. Yes or no? Who are having schools near to your neighborhood? Just show your thumb to me. Show your thumb to me. Who are having nearby school? Miss, my house is nearby school. Yes. Show your thumb to me. Very good. Yes. So, a school is an important place where we learn many things. Yes. You can learn many things when you will come to school regularly. Different people in our school help us in different ways. Yes. Suppose I will come for you social. Yes. So you can learn. When I am coming, you will take your social book. Suppose your English miss will come to you. Which book you will open? Will you open social and you will see? Which book you will open, Anna? You will open your English book. Like that, you can learn so many things from different people. Not only the subject teacher. If you see outside, suppose for big schools, they will have some gardeners. Yes or no? Yes. But these, please, you can see so many people in schools. You can learn so many things from them. Okay. In our classroom, our teacher helps us read and write and teaches us different subjects. Yes, Nana? What the teacher will say you? How to read, how to write. And what she will teach? She will teach the different subjects. Yes? Yeah. Fatima, can you read the next para? Keep your video on, Nana. Yes, read. Start reading. We read. Yes, Yakub, I will give a chance for you, Nana. Yes, Lasia. Are you having TB? Yes. Fatima, start reading. Yes, Yakub, can you read now? Yakub?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Start reading. Yakub, start reading.
In our classroom, our teacher helps us read and write.
Read louder. Read a little bit louder, Nana.
And teachers.
Yeah. Yeah. We read different kinds of book. From there you read. Yes.
We read different kinds of books in the school library.
Very good. Yes. Yes, continue.
Librarian
Yes.
helps us in the library.
Very
Play
good.
games in the principal makes sure the school runs smoothly.
Very good, Jacob. Okay, stop, pause. Yes, we read different kinds of books in the school library. Yes or no? On the no bag day, Miss will provide you different kinds of book. By reading those books, you can learn what is happening in that book. Yes or no? Some cartoon books, or you can learn what are the things that you don't know. Every day in the assembly, we will ask you the GK question. Yes or no, Nana? Did you remember? Everyone will come forward and they will say some GK questions. Suppose if you know the answer, it's well and good. You will say the answer. If you don't know, you can learn the new thing. It's a new thing for you. Yes? That question is new thing for you. You can learn that new thing. Like that, the librarian helps us in the library. Who will provide the for library? One librarian will be there, and if you are having any doubt, you can go and ask him or her. Ma'am, which book I have to read or which book it belongs to. If you don't know anything, you can take the help of librarian and you can read that book. We play games in the playground. Where you will play the games, Nana? In the classroom? In the classroom will you play? Yes, Havish, very good, superb. In the playground you will play the games. The principal makes sure that the school runs smoothly. Yes or no? Every day or once in a week, principal ma'am will come to our campus and she will check whether the classes are going on or are you having any problem regarding any subject. She will see your TNs, yes, and she will say, yeah, you are very good in the subject, you are doing the best. Will she encourage you or not? Yes? Yes, children? Will she encourage us?
Yes, miss.
Yes, very good. There are other people like the gardener. Gardener, what the gardener will do, Nana? Yes, Tanish, what the gardener will do? Yes, water the plants. Cleaner. Cleaner means who? After your lunch will complete, who will clean your classroom? Didi will. Yes, Didi will come and clean the room. Watchman. Where you will see this watchman? He will sit outside. Yes. Yeah, nearby gate. Very good. Who take care of the school? Very good. He will take care of the school. We learn not only about different subjects and new games, but also about how to behave well with others. Yes or no? How to behave with others also you will learn in school. Respect our elders. Will you respect your elders or you will fight with your elders?
Respect